Guys, I'm so surprised that this looks so tight and firm, but we have to give it up to my shrinkage because what's this? Wow.
When they tryna hold me, I go zoom, zoom, zoom. Don't like your vibe and I go zoom, zoom.
Hey y'all, thanks for being here. So I thought to be a little bit adventurous and try Mousse for a twist out on my 4C natural hair. And I am using this Mousse from Nova Gold. It says it gives natural hold. It's a styling mousse for increased volume and hold. The number one ingredients on it is water and a bunch of gas. Has some alcohol in it, which should give a little bit of hold. My hair is freshly washed, almost like dry at this point, but I do have leave-in conditioner in my hair already, and I will be using this henna oil for my hair because I haven't sealed in the moisture yet. And other tools I'll be using is clips, my combs if necessary, and then a shear not to take off any tangles. Actually, I haven't detangled my hair, so I'm going to be oiling my hair, detangle, trim off any knots, then apply the mousse, then twist. What I'm doing is basically simple. Remember, I already have leave-in conditioner in it. I put in my oil, detangle it, apply the mousse, then twist. One thing I want to point out is that this mousse doesn't have any oil or butter in it, so I guess that is why it is going to give the hair some volume, because there is no products weighing it down other than every light ingredient that it has in it. All of the ingredients in it are very light. They are not thick in any way. They will not weigh down the hair. So I guess this is the idea. This is why it is important that you moisturize your hair before you apply this mousse. My trick to twisting my hair is making sure that my sections are not too big, they are just like a medium size, and then I twist very tightly with all of the strength that I have. I twist very tightly, and then when I get to the ends of my hair, because my ends doesn't actually curl like that, my hands are always like poofy, so I usually just band to knot my hands. That is how I get my hands to be a little bit curly or not look like it is not part of the clan. My hair looks so tight and shiny and almost like dry because of all of the light ingredients in it. It definitely made the hair dry very, very fast. Guys, I'm so surprised that this looks so tight and firm, but we have to give it up to my shrinkage because what's this? I'm going to put a little oil in my hand. Wow. I'm not so good at separating my curls, so I'm just going to try my possible best to make sure that I do not ruin this, because this, guys, this is awesome. This is so beautiful. So I will try my possible best to just follow the separation, just follow the lead of my hair. If I notice that there is some separation going on by itself, I'll just go right in from there, then separate it further, and then I'll twirl the hair around to go back in the formation of the curls so it doesn't look horrible, so I don't just spoil it totally. And then I'm going to go in with my picking comb, afro comb, to just leave the root up. I prefer to do this while I'm separating my hair.
Guys, wow, this legit gives me more hold than any other thing. Wow. I really can't stop saying wow, like for real. Wow.
I let the spirit lead me when I get to the front, and I notice that I do not need to go in with a comb, just leave the hair like that. Like this part now, I felt I just didn't need to go in with a comb, so I did not go in with a comb. Felt like I could do with some lifting at the back. I sleep on my back, so the hair at the back of my head do not actually lift like that. They sleep, okay. So
This is heavenly. I am shocked. Legit shocked, guys. I'm shocked.
styling is another thing, guys. I decided to just do something different instead of just doing the normal slant side pattern, you know, just do something different with this. But I always have no clue on how to style my twist out, so I'm just going in with some bobby pins right there, you know, leave a little strand of hair by the side, just bobby pin the hair down kind of the end, give some look at the front.
Guys, this is my best twist out ever. Like, what? Why should I buy any styler anymore? This is a key. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. If you want to see more of styling videos, definitely hit the subscribe button. Give this video a like and put a comment in the section. Let me know if you're going to be trying out Mousse for your hair. So if you're going to be switching, like the way I'm thinking right now, switching styler, normal styler for Mousse, let me know in the comment section. Let me know what you think if you're going to be trying this out, you know. And I'm going to see you all in my next video. Bye, y'all.